Manhattan is filled with some amazing mutants. Everyone knows the Turtles, but what about the city's lesser-known mutations? Let's check them out in the coolest mutant montage of all time. Different kind of cool, Ice Cream Kitty.
Who the heck is that?
You may call me Tiger Claw.
I knew it! I was totally gonna name him Tiger Claw.
Turn me into a dang pig! I don't want to be a pig! The ladies don't love pigs!
What has two robotic legs and loves to stomp turtles?
This guy. Pizza face? I like that.
What the heck was that?
Sweet! No more evil, hideous mutants. Booyakasha.
Want more videos? Subscribe to the Nickelodeon YouTube channel now.